Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Homemade by Annie. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm sharing one of the most loved recipes, layered chicken biryani. This biryani is full of flavor, super aromatic, and perfect for family lunches, dinners, or any special occasion. If you're looking for an easy homemade biryani recipe, then this one is definitely worth trying. So, let's get started. Before we start cooking, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming recipes. First, I marinated the chicken. In a bowl, add 1 kilogram chicken, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 2 to 3 tablespoons yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon red chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon biryani masala. Mix everything well and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. The longer it marinates, the more flavorful the biryani will be. Heat some oil in a large pot. Once the oil is hot, now add the chopped onions and cook them until they turn golden brown. This step adds a beautiful color and rich flavor to the biryani, so don't rush it. Once the onions are ready, add the whole spices. I'm using bay leaves, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, cloves, black peppercorns, and cumin seeds. Fry them for a few seconds until they become fragrant. Add the marinated chicken to the pot. Cook it on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally so the chicken cooks evenly. Next, add the chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well and cover the pot. Let the chicken cook until it becomes soft and the tomatoes completely break down into the masala. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare the rice. In another large pot, bring plenty of water to a boil. Add a little salt and a few whole spices for extra flavor. Now add the soaked basmati rice and cook it until it's about 90% done. The rice should still have a slight bite because it will finish cooking during the dum process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Homemade by Annie for more easy and delicious homemade recipes. Drain the rice completely and set it aside. Now comes my favorite part, layering the biryani. Spread half of the cooked rice over the chicken masala, making an even layer. Now sprinkle fried onions, chopped fresh coriander, fresh mint leaves, and sliced green chilies over the rice. I'm also adding a pinch of food coloring mixed with a little water to give the biryani its beautiful traditional color. You can also use saffron milk if you prefer. Now add the remaining rice and repeat the same toppings: fried onions, coriander, mint, green chilies, and a little food color. These layers are what make biryani so flavorful because every bite gets a perfect combination of rice, spices, herbs, and juicy chicken. Cover the pot tightly with a lid. If needed, place a clean kitchen towel between the pot and the lid to trap the steam inside. Cook the biryani on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. This slow steaming process allows all the flavors to blend together beautifully. As the biryani cooks, your kitchen will be filled with the most amazing aroma. Serve your hot, delicious layered chicken biryani with raita, fresh salad, pickle, or chutney. Finally, garnish with chopped fresh coriander, crispy fried onions, and lemon slices for the perfect finishing touch. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you try this biryani at home, let me know how it turned out in the comments. Your feedback always makes me happy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next recipe. Allah Hafiz.